So you want to be an affiliate marketer and you're looking for some tips on what you should do to get results fast, because let's face it, who wants to go slow these days? Nobody, right? So after spending thousands of hours to earn my first few thousands of dollars as an affiliate marketer, I decided it would be helpful to show you the 5 things that I think are the most important to help you get started the right way without having to spend thousands of hours to work it out. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. In today's video, I'm going to outline for you the 5 things that I believe are the most important for you to focus on if you're just getting started as an affiliate marketer. And if you aren't just getting started, but you also aren't getting the results you want, it could be because of one of these 5 tips I've got for you today. So let's dive into these 5 tips and discover why they will make all the difference when it comes to your success as an affiliate marketer. And I want you to understand that these 5 tips are in no particular order, although a couple are more important than the others. When I first started in affiliate marketing, and actually when I first started in online marketing, which was a few years earlier than affiliate marketing, I thought that everyone online was a potential customer of mine. I started out selling courses on how to manage money and learn to invest. Everyone should know this stuff, right? So I thought everyone would be an ideal customer of mine, or at the very least they'd be interested in what I had to share on the topics. But there was a very important lesson I still had to learn, which in the online world is best described in a quote that has become etched in my brain. Basically, it's that if you try to sell to everyone, you will sell to nobody. Kind of was like a kick in the guts when I first heard that, like really, everyone needs what I'm selling. But I quickly discovered the reality of the internet. If you can't speak directly to someone's needs, then you aren't going to get their attention. So the first tip for success with affiliate marketing is to know your audience. Who is it that you are serving? What problem are you solving for them? What have they tried that hasn't worked, and how can you help? Once you can hone in on these details and really get to know your audience, you'll change the way you speak. Your communication will become more refined to them personally, and suddenly you'll be heard. You want your audience to be thinking that you are speaking to them personally, like they say in their head, "Oh my God, I feel like Andrew is speaking directly to me." Now the second tip I've got for you is another one that I learned the hard way, and that's to stay focused. Or to put it another way, avoid the trap of FOMO. When I first got started, I was so keen to make good sales that whenever I heard about the launch of a new tool or a big launch that everyone was going to be a part of, I got distracted from what I was doing and chased after these new tools and launches to try to make some money. FOMO is real, my friends, and when you are getting started in affiliate marketing, there are a lot of opportunities, but I implore you to stay focused on your core offer. There'll always be new tools and launches to promote, and you can get involved when they're part of your plan, your timeline, and not just because you're chasing results. And take it from someone who knows a lot about how these big launches are planned. They happen every year at pretty much the same time. So if you miss out this year, there's always next year. And when you get started, you want to focus on a core product, a core funnel, and a core marketing strategy to get results. You can scale once you have the foundations in place, just like building a house, right? The third tip for success is to play the long game. Now, I suspect, just like me, that your Facebook feed or Instagram feed is full of online marketers claiming how they made $10,000 a month after 30 days or 90 days or some really short period of time. What I want you to understand is that in the majority of cases, these results are fake, and they definitely aren't typical. Affiliate marketing takes time to grow, and if you're also like me, you want this business to provide you with a long-term stable income. It's just not about one good month or maybe one good year. You're in it for the long term, to change your life and that of your customers, of course. So you want, like I mentioned in the second tip, to stay focused on the actions that will grow your business. There are going to be lots of distractions that promise quick results, like a bot to do this or a bot to do that. Bots, bots, bots. It seems there are bots for everything these days. You're building a serious business for the long term. So trying bots to get quick results, is like believing the get-rich-quick schemes will work. Focus on building your audience, growing your business steadily, and you'll be much happier and successful. Now, the fourth tip is probably the most important, and we've talked about it a little already, and that is to focus on growing your list or email addresses. The number one asset of an affiliate marketer is their list. Without one, you just can't build a sustainable business. So when you're starting out, you should put all your energy and attention in activities that will grow your list. You want to create lead magnets or freebies that people want because it solves a problem they're having and they'd be willing to give you their email address for it. And once you have an email address, you're able to make them offers and make sales, right? Now, one of the biggest mistakes I see some affiliate marketers make is spewing their links in Facebook groups and hoping that someone will buy from them. Now sure, the odd person might buy, but this is not a strategy of success. And without an email address, you can never go back to that person to sell them something else. Remember the golden rule of marketing, that a customer is 12 times more likely to buy again after buying from you the first time. So why give up that opportunity? So growing your list is crucial, and I'm sure that sounds obvious now, right? But let me put some numbers to the importance of your list. Since I love numbers, it always helps me to grasp a concept. Okay, so the theory is that as you grow your list from scratch into the first few thousands, you can generate $1 per email per month. So a list of 500 people could be worth $500 per month. Now, I know you've already rushed ahead and you've done the numbers for a list of 10,000 emails. Yep, $10,000 per month and $120,000 per year. That's pretty good income. But there's more good news. As you grow your list and get better at making offers, you can earn even more than $1 per email per month. Some of the bigger players in the affiliate marketing game are earning more than $32 per email. Do the maths on that. Now, that isn't typical, but it's certainly possible and realistic to make more than $1 per email. So that should reinforce why it's so important to focus on growing your list. Case closed, I say. Now the fifth tip I've got for you is to go all in. Like I mentioned before, you're getting into affiliate marketing, you make sustained and serious income, and there's good money to be made, so don't be half-baked about it. By being all in, you're committed to doing what it takes to get the results you desire. Affiliate marketing is a competitive industry, and despite what some would have you believe, it's not easy. You can't expect to slap together a landing page in a few hours and sit back and watch the results come flooding in. It doesn't work that way. You need to spend the time to create pages and offers that solve problems that your audience are experiencing. Test everything, like the headlines, the sub-headlines, the colours of your buttons, and the text. These things all make a difference. And if you do a half-baked effort, you will get half-baked results, which actually means no results. Provide value in what you do, and your audience will reward you with their attention, their engagement, and sales. And like I said, affiliate marketing is not easy. It takes time to grow your audience, to build their trust, and to generate a sustainable business, but the rewards are worth it. So go all in. Leave the half-baked effort to everyone else. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you the 5 things you can do as a beginner or someone looking to improve their results as an affiliate marketer. These are 5 things that make a big difference. So let's do a quick recap. First was know your audience. Second was to stay focused and avoid the FOMO. Third is to play the long game. You're building a sustainable business here. Fourth is to focus on your list, building it as quickly and as large as you can. And fifth is to go all in and not be half-baked with anything you do to grow your business, because it's not easy, so it requires your full effort and attention. Now, if you want to get the same step-by-step hand-holding tuition that I got to grow your affiliate marketing business the right way to ensure you get started and making sales in the first 30 days, then click the link in the description to partner with me and my mentor. Thanks for watching today's training. To get the best affiliate marketing training, click the link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with the best step-by-step affiliate marketing training and personal support from me. for the first 30 days, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.